Now, forewarned weather with Exact Track 4D.
Well, as we take a closer look at your weather headlines for today, back into the 90s this weekend. And so enjoy the lower humidity while it lasts, because it's low for now, but that will be rising along with the temperatures as we head into the weekend. Best chances for rain really at the end of the weekend on Sunday going into early next week, but we're not completely out of the woods. We'll talk about what I mean in just a moment. Let's first look at the 6 to 10 day outlook as those temperatures are rising. We could be taking above average temperatures from July 8th through the 12th, and that precipitation outlook will be just above average as well, as we do begin to enter a more active pattern heading into early next week. Very isolated chances for storms today and tomorrow. These are pop-up and incredibly isolated, but nonetheless, there's still that possibility that it could happen in your neck of the woods. And if it does, well, we're talking damaging wind gusts or even some heavy rainfall as the primary threats. And the threat will be mainly north of I-94 for today. So this does clip as far south as about Novi, but it's the northern tier of Wayne and Washtenaw counties all the way up into the Thumb region in mid-Michigan. Now that marginal level 1 risk does shift down to our southwest tomorrow. It goes as far north as Livingston County and clipping a portion of Oakland and Wayne counties. And so I really think that ends up being more towards the state line. I'll show you what I mean here. So you blink and you miss this chance later on this evening, but it will be just that isolated bubble up chance that could develop. And those are very hard to pinpoint. Maybe a little isolated passing shower tomorrow morning, but it'll be in the evening that you get that better chance tomorrow of a passing downpour in our southern communities. But the rest of us are going to see quite a bit of sunshine today. So your out the door forecast, that high will be 86 degrees, and we're going to be spending the day just warming things up to more of that seasonal territory. Now 4 o'clock onward this afternoon is when we have that chance for a storm to develop, but don't let that hinder your afternoon plans as most of us dodge it. So tonight, 66 degrees, mostly clear skies, another less humid night, meaning open up the windows while you're sleeping. And then tomorrow, well, it'll be about a degree warmer, 87, and that slight isolated chance down to our south. 4th of July holiday. As we take a look at Friday and beyond, close to 90 on the 4th, likely in the low 90s on your Saturday and Sunday. We'll have a mix of sun and clouds with that humidity rising and a chance for storms developing as we head into your Sunday evening. So here's the timeline for you. I will stop the clock late Saturday as we pick up just a smidge of moisture to our east. I think really that's in the form of humidity, but just worth pointing out. Now, as we head into Sunday, you can see more of a widespread rain event pushing in, and that's going to be Sunday evening into your Monday, where we'll have some off and on chances early next week. So your 7-day forecast rising a degree or two each day for the remainder of this week, and then the weekend low 90s, but those shower and storm chances will drop us back into seasonal territory, mid 80s to start early next week.